Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to know about prefix and suffix. Prefix is a group of letters or it is an affix that is added to the beginning of a word. Some of the common prefixes include dis, un, in, which will make the words negative like unnecessary, disappear, insecure, etc. And some of the prefixes will make the repetition of words. Some of them are reappoint, reorganize, reunite, etc. And some of the prefixes will indicate the position, such as sub, which means below or under. Example, submarine, subway, etc. And some of the rules for adding prefixes are, whenever we add a prefix, we should not change the spelling of the original word or the spelling of a prefix. Here the word disappear, which is a combination of dis and appear, unhappy, undo, etc. Adding prefixes will sometimes also result in the repetition of consonants, such as misspell. Here S is repeated, cooperation, etc. We use hyphen whenever we add a prefix to a noun, like non-resident, pro-American, self-esteem, etc. Then moving on to suffix. Suffix is an affix, means fixing something to the end of the word. Some of the suffixes will change the meaning of the word and others will signal the word's parts of speech or indicate verb tense. Some common suffixes include adding ed, adding ing, adding ly. The suffix adding ed will change the verbs to past tense. Adding ing will make the verb take place in present form. Adding ly will make the adjectives to form adverbs like quickly, politely, etc. Then adding suffixes like s, es will make the word into plural form like foxes, pens, books, etc. Then moving on to the some of the rules for adding suffixes are, whenever we add a suffix, the original word usually keeps its original spelling. However, there are some exceptions to this rule. If the original word is one syllable and ends with a single consonant, then it will double the last letter, like running. In this word, n is repeated, skipping, etc. If the word ends with multiple consonants, then the last letter does not get repeated. Bank. Bank will become banking. And this is all about prefix, suffix and rules of prefix and suffixes. Thank you.